Hey man, just wanted to make this quick video because it's easier for me to post this than it is to post a picture. So, as you can see here on this 9-pin connector, you got your fuel pump wire, yellow and red. I just have this red wire plugged in with a bullet connector. And again, don't mind my complete abortion of wiring. This is all just to see if I can get the car on, which I can. So that red wire goes in through there and is... Let's take a look. Red wire comes in, as you can see, follows it around, and I have it being fed from the bottom of the fuse panel. There are two open terminals on circuit 13, which is the... Oh man, let's see what we got here. 13 is the solenoid valve constant idle system relay hotspot. It's a 15 amp. So that's where that's being fed from, and that is keyed 12 volt. That's not constant. Now the problem I'm having is getting that power to turn this on but not run constantly. So as you can see here, this is the bottom of that relay. Man, it's light. Bottom of that relay here, you got a brown wire which is being fed off of circuit 1 here, which is the fuel pump. You can kind of... Let me just take care of this real quick. Alright, so this brown wire here, which is, I'm assuming, the feed to the factory fuel pump relay, runs from there, goes back directly to circuit 1 on the 740 fuse panel, and that is a constant hot. I've tested it with a test light. There's two open terminals, and then it looks like you have a green and a pink wire that share the same terminal, and I haven't been able to figure out how to take my keyed 12 volt from that's feeding the 240 harness and turn on the 740 stuff, if that makes any sense. I can jump the relay out so it runs all the time, but that's obviously not that's not ideal. I'd really like to have it wired so it'll just prime for a second when I turn the car on, you know, put the key in, turn it to on, but then I'd like to have it obviously function as normal. So just having a hard time wrapping my head around this. Hopefully you can shed some light on it, and if you have any questions, you can either write it in the comments or you know, reach me on TurboBricks. Alright buddy, thanks again. I appreciate your time and all the knowledge from this point. Thanks.